يوسف إذ تقول أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
So his question is as follows. He says, is there any non-Arabic words in the Holy Quran? And if there is this against the verse in the Holy Quran in Surah Yusuf, which says, إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَاهُ قُرْآنًا عَرَبِيًّا لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ?
The word Arabian can be literally taken to be the language Arabic, and also it can be taken to be a language which is Fusha, which is full of all oratorial compliments. So in this sense, it is definitely true that all the words used in Arabic in the Quran are self-explanatory. So even the non-Arabic words occasionally found explain themselves in the context where they are found. Yes.